How to download Adobe Illustrator for. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you wanted to do that, you can follow up the simple steps. So for that, you can head over, open up a browser, and you can head over to Microsoft Store and open it up. After that, from the Microsoft Store, you can use the search bar. You can search for Adobe Photoshop. Type in Adobe Photoshop in the search bar. And after you do it, here you should be finding Adobe Photoshop. So all you gotta do is, this one is something you need to pay for, but if you want it for free, we have another alternative, which is Adobe Photoshop Express, which is a free one. So all you gotta do is go ahead and download this one right here. You should be finding download option. Go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, it will start downloading. All you gotta do is, after it downloads, set it up on your device, and you can go ahead and use and access similar features to Adobe Photoshop. So that is it for now. That is how you download Adobe Photoshop for free on PC. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.